If you've been logged out of your PayPal account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process clearly and efficiently. Step 1. Visit the PayPal login page. Go to the official PayPal website and click on the login button. This will take you to the login page where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Having Trouble Logging In. On the login page, look for the link that says Having Trouble Logging In and click on it. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Enter your email or mobile number. Input the email address or mobile number associated with your PayPal account. After entering your information, click on Next to proceed. Step 4. Choose your recovery method. You will be presented with options to receive a verification code via email or SMS. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to receive the code. Step 5. Enter the verification code and reset password. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in the provided field. After verification, you will be prompted to create a new password. Follow the instructions to set a new password and regain access to your account. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your PayPal account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PayPal customer support for further assistance.